Okay, I didn't feel like doing these in order. Doing this one. Okay, we have a stopper being whipped around on a string. So the center seeking force, keeping it in that circle, is the tension in the string. Okay, so it does 10 revolutions in 10 seconds. So that means one revolution takes only 1 second. So that's handy. So the time period is 1 second. They said the radius is 1 meter. This is very handy numbers. The mass is 0.028 kilograms. Let's do this. So the only force is tension. So that equals MA. But since it's a center seeking force, it equals MAC. So we can say the tension force equals M times V squared over R. We don't have a V, but we can find it real quick. So velocity is distance over time. So the distance that it travels is 1 full circle. So 1 full circle is a circumference, that's 2 pi r. And the time that takes is 1 capital T time period. So 2 times pi times a radius of 1 divided by a time period of 1. That's just 2 pi. Weird. Okay, 2 times pi is 6.28. But we're not done yet. We need to calculate the actual thing. So the mass is 0.028. The velocity is 6.28 squared. And I don't know why I put parentheses. And the radius is still 1. So I'm going to square within my calculator so I don't lose any decimals. Hit enter, and then I say times 0.028. So that gives me a force of 1.105395693. That's so many digits. They gave us 1, 2, 3 sig figs here, 2 sig figs here. That's 2, that's 2. So I think we need to do 2 sig figs. So I'm going to say 1.1 newtons. The N stands for newtons. Okay, that's how I do that one.